Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A50. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now scroll up and click OK, and then click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now, and here click open permissions, and you have to click on AI assistant to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back, and now click start, and as you can see here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.